Welcome to Quillbilly Garage. Today we're going to take a look at this 1968 Dodge D100 pickup truck. This series is also known as a Sweptline Dodge. So this truck here is a parts truck. And you may ask yourself, hey, that truck looks not terribly bad. Why is that a parts truck? This is why that truck is a parts truck. What we're looking at here is my 1968 Dodge D200. Beautiful truck, 40,000 original miles, has a freshly built 383 engine, new upholstery, and a rear-ended semi-truck. Truck very much worth saving. The frame is not bent on it, so I picked up that white truck to put this one back together. If you're interested in seeing more about this truck here, I have two previous videos you can find. One is a walk around of it, and another one is where I got it running. The Sweptline series trucks ran from 1961 to 1971. I was fortunate to find a year specific, a 1968 truck. That's important to me because there are a number of items that I needed that are only a 1 or 2 year only part, like the hood and the grill and the side molding. A good friend of mine found this truck for me and thought I'd do a little walk around before blasting it apart to fix up my other truck. So this truck here is a half-ton, two-wheel drive. There's no engine or transmission in it. The grill a little bent up, but I believe hopefully I can straighten that up enough to make it look decent. Looking at how that bed's bent up on the side, I wonder if this was in a yard where they tried to pick it up with a forklift or something. Or maybe they drove over a log. Okay, opening that door is a bust. The main things I need are the core support, the inner fender, hood, driver's side fender, grill, and bumper. And radiator. Radiator's in the front seat and looks pretty decent. This fender here has got a little Bondo popping off, but fortunately I don't need that fender. If it were perfect, I would have used it, but the one on my truck's better than that. So these trucks had a automatic shifter on the dash. No tailgate on this one. Haven't pulled enough of the stuff out of the bed yet to see if the bed floor is in decent shape. I don't need a bed, but I'm hoping there's some parts on this truck that someone else could use to get their truck back on the road. Thanks for tuning into Quillbilly Garage. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please check out my channel and see what else I've got to offer.